Meeteilol Waaheithangnau haibadi Meeteilol Waahi mathang manaugi matangda yengminasi.
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯁꯅꯥꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯀꯪꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟ ꯃꯤꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯦꯛꯄꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯉꯥꯡꯈꯝ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯃꯦꯁꯣꯔꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ. ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯦꯡꯒ꯭ꯋꯦꯖꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯆꯔꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯧꯖꯩ. ꯉꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯊꯥꯡꯅꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯂꯣꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯅꯩꯅꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ. ngasi nainagadaba Meeteilolgi wahai thangna asi English ta hairaga Meeteilol dictionary hanasu khangnei. Adudi ai hauji mathang nainajarage ngasi nainagadaba asi page number 45 ni. Page number 45. Meeteilol wahai thangna Meeteilol to English dictionary. Samaga Mogdrama Thoiso wahaida Kakching Kulen Kakching Kulen Mingta Now Sanaaleibaak Kangleipak Manipurda Leiba Khul Amagi Mamingni Sanaaleibaak Kangleipak Manipurda Leiba Khul Amagi Mamingni. English Hairaga, the name of a village of Sanaaleibaak Kangleipak Manipur, settled by MEETEIS, original native indigenous people of Manipur. English ta amona hajarake. Page number 45. 199 word of Meeteilol. Kakching Kulen. Kakching Kulen Mingta noun. Sanaaleibaak Kangleipak Manipurda Leiba Khul Amagi Mamingni. Sanaaleibaak Kangleipak Manipurda Leiba Khul Amagi Mamingni. English, the explanation, the details of Kakching Kulen is the name of a village of Sanaaleibaak Kangleipak Manipur settled by MEETEIS, original native indigenous people of Manipur. Makatan ba nainadringaida sigi map asigi matang dawtang hajaramge masina Barki awang nopok thangba saruk aduni masina Manipurni sina Manipurgi sautholaba map aduni. This is the northeastern side of India. This is Manipur. This is the inner portions of Manipur. Meeteilol is the original mother tongue of Meetei, present in Manipur and outside of Manipur. Meeteilol is also known as Manipuri language. Manipuri language is the state language of Manipur. So, Meeteilol is the state language of Manipur. Makhataba amuk hajiraki. Manipur Kangleipak na India da pundringai mamangda maning tamba leba oina leirami. Ing kumja lising samapan nipumapan gi October gi taramanga gi mamangda. In English, Manipur Kangleipak was sovereign independent country in the world before merger to India on 15 October 1949. Adi makhataba Meeteilolgi Waaheithangnaugi matangda amu hajarake. Salmaga Mogdrani Soisuba Wahaida Kasna Kasna Mingta noun. Meetei Singi Yumnak Sagai Amagi Mamingni Kasnangi Yek Salaigi Mamingdi Angomni. English alphabet amu ithokpudi amu pazarake. Meetei Singi Yumnak Sagai Amagi Mamingni Yek Salaigi Mamingdi Angomni. In English, Kasnam is the name of a Yumnak Sagai of Meeteis. Yek Salai of Kasnam is Angom. Adi makhataba amu Meetei Lolgi wahai singasi Meetei mekte ithokku matamda matau karam ithoi amasung English ta ithokpa matamda matau karam tauna ithokatage transform tawgadage haibagi matang aduda mathang mathang haijarake ijariba chart se ongtang yingminasi S3 number 1 da leiba haiba S3 number 1 di sida leijare leiba haiba wahai asigi matangda nainazarake leiba thauta kumpha S3 1.1 da China si rising tone e I ga mane haibadi China sidida yeta lum haptragadi mase rising tone ni aidi ayangbo oigani aduga English ta magi manabadi e I ga managani pabgi khonthokna China aduga S3 1.2 da China sigi yeta lum haptargadi masi falling tone ni haidi FT hani ijari basini adi English ta manabana e I ga managani makada horizontal line ama oina singani masina falling tone oina khanagani pabwi khonthokti karamna pagadagi haibada China lum English ta ibada China lum maramasina China sing ase rising tone amasung falling tone haina ani thongna laigani masigi example sing ase amuk nainazarake example da rising tone da leiba ahanmada magi meaning di one thokti hingba English ta harga to live ani suba meaning da haibadi leiba haibasi ga ani suba meaning di yauba English ta to have ahum suba meaning da matu oiba to be wild aduga makhata ba falling tone gi matang da amuk nainazarake leiba haibasi da China sidida yeta lum tap targadi mase falling tone ni leiba ana China sida lum tap maramna makhada e I se makhada phaina line chingi mase falling tone khanana ba leiba number 1 da magi meaning asi kaino haibada maigai hongba aduna maigai hai matamda mase falling tone ni yeta lum happy basi sidida I gi makhada phaina line chingi basini ana maigai hongba English ta harga to turn aduga ani subada magi meaning sida leiba haiba falling tone oina sinaba arumba oina sinaba asigi ani suba meaning na kaino haiba matamda mamal piduna leiba aduga atopa wahanto amada one ba to purchase to buy English ta harga now let us discuss about the word labor the S3 number 1 here labor thauta and verb S3 1.1 if lum is added to the right side of China this is rising tone in English is equal to EI and how to read now let us the pronunciation of this China when in the case of the S3 number 1.2 and the China lum when lum is added to the right side of China here S3 number 1 labor S3 number 1 is here labor thauta bhab S3 number 1.1 China is equal to RT means rising tone in English it is equal to EI then how to read let us see China in S3 1.2 when lum is added to the right side of China this is falling tone and this is equal to EI a horizontal line below EI then the pronunciation of Zainab, when loom is added to right side, here is Zainab loom. Zainab loom. Now let us see the example of Zainab rising tone and the Zainab falling tone. First one, labor. Labor. Number one, the meaning of labor is hingba. Hingba, in English, to live. And number two, the meaning of labor is yauba, yauba. In English, to have. The third meaning of labor is matu oiba. Matu oiba, to be wife. Now let us see our falling tone. When labor is used as falling tone, when loom is added to the right side of Zainab, then the meaning of labor, the first one is Maigai hongba. Maigai hongba, in English, to turn. So number two, the meaning of labor. Mamal piduna labor. Mamal piduna labor. Other meaning is one bar. To purchase, to buy. Ngasigidi matang asida Meeteilol Waaheithangnau nainajaba loijare. Channel asigi mami Manipur languages features haina kaujai. Channel asibu ahanba yengbo orgadi channel ase like tawbiu, comment ka pibiru amsung subscribe tawbiru. Awada pa lerga su haibiru. Meeteilol, Meetei Mayek sakhonhanabu honamada honaminasi. Meeteilol, Meetei Mayek haibase akhona yamna maru oi haibase mayam khudimak khangna ramlagani haina khanjai. Meetei haiba iramdam SANAALEIBAAK KANGLEIPAK MANIPUR sida lairiba aikhoisi yelomi aikhoisi muthananaba akanba lalo kaya atopa foreign dagi lakpa Meeteibak dagi lakpa mi singna kan honarali Meetei yek salai muthanaba honarali Meeteilol si muthanaba honarali maramaduna aikhoigi isama kanjanabi damakta Meetei se kanjanabi damakta iramdam SANAALEIBAAK KANGLEIPAK sida laiminariba yelomi khudimapu kanba ngamnagi damakta shanti oina ingna chingna lainambagi damakta Meeteilol Meetei Mayek ase aikoi hingnabo honaminasi chawkhanabo honaminasi ngasigidi matang asida loisinjarage haibirab khudima Meeteilol Meetei Mayek chawkhanabo haibirab khudima aina harauna lawsinjegani mathangi upload tawbo khudimakta aikoi khudim amo unaminasi ngasigidi amo aina loisinjarage.